Hey, what's up, y'all? It's Darius from DariusCooks.tv, and one of the most versatile ingredients in any kitchen is the beloved rotisserie chicken. I'm going to show you how to take this lovely chicken and revive it into a recipe that's good for the back pocket that you'll do any weekday or weekend for that matter. It's going to be a white chicken lasagna. Let's get started, all right? So I'm going to take this chicken, rotisserie chicken that we picked up yesterday, because I want to grab the meat off of this chicken. You know how that goes. All right, so I'm just going to chop some of the chicken. Right now, it's just a roasted chicken. Gotta revive it a little bit. So I've got some garlic paste, dried oregano, got a little bit of dry fennel action happening in here. And then I've got herbs de Provence, which is like an Italian seasoning, which is great. I don't care what they tell you, you gotta put a little bit of salt and pepper in here. So now we've got something that we can sort of begin to work with. Now we just need a vehicle to move this all about our lasagna. Ricotta cheese, right? The smallest amount of heavy cream is gonna go in. Now, how bad could this be? We're really going someplace now, okay? Isn't that beautiful? The sauce, I'm using a store-bought Alfredo sauce, right? Because this is like perfect. It has everything we need. And then I'm gonna fill it with a little bit of spinach that is frozen, and my herbs de Provence, provolone, and mozzarella. It's a lasagna, you know, you just kind of throw it together. You know how this goes. Just layer it. There's a lot of stuff going on and you don't want any of this to bubble over and waste in your oven. So I put it on top of a sheet tray. That way, if it does bubble over, guess what? I don't have anything to worry about. My oven's at 350 degrees. This is gonna go right in there and bake up until it's golden brown. Now, I mean, take a look at that. That looks absolutely amazing. I'm just gonna chop up some fresh parsley just to add that right on top. See how it tastes. How bad could it be? Oh. Smoking hot. I mean, come on. This is something serious. You gotta try this. Listen. Now, recipes like this, you know where they can be found on the website. It's DariusCooks.tv. There's two things I gotta tell you, as I always do. All right, food is my life. Life is my food. Until next time, I gotta wish you a happy cooking from my heart to yours. Bye, y'all.